craze. Better Victor, eh? Now I don't vex for you. Anything will happen, will happen. You sure don't forget to prepare for your documents. Say you don't fight person for camp. You thief person phone. They don't share them. You pay for liar. This time around there, Victor, you will go back to Nigeria or your family. But my American person come from Libya. They're like now don't finish. Don't be vex. I will carry on all of Nakene. Therefore, Kosura. Now the kind person come from Libya, the crossroad. She know I get sense. She know I use brain, abi. She they just I see the craze. Knows I craze pass you. All my first way there with you. When I can't go Nigeria, you can't go anywhere. The police is seeing where he dey. No sense. The craze. You tell me that I measure on that time for Victor. I measure anything like Victor. Say I beg me only the car because camera there. Because why I tell you because don't me get car. This man, something if you put the car, they will send a me or some. So when I tell you, I only the car because I know what you can do. You may carry your own bus, bicycle, bus tire. Less time when the man they go work because there was true traffic. I cannot drive. You bus tire, Victor, Duru. Now you talk to. Come insult me. The craze. Now, I make sure say I will deal with you to the core. What you do so? You know make me enjoy me better when I come. As you know enjoy this day, no ever enjoy for your life. That pick way say your wife get for Belen, you go die for your eye, Jesus say. And that pick be your own better. That person picking because you not get you get low spend count. Idiot. I'm about to Victor. Now the house where I suffer for rent. Now you carry woman, you tell me say your wife get belong for you. I never understand though. My own house. Hey, Aturu Beke, Victor. Before I open my eye, go rent on that house and leave that house. We will gonna sign contract, say court. If not, you know me now. I can spend unspendable. Make sure say you dig down. You go there down. This is called down. You will not pay us. You not concern me. That pay us. You not pay us. You not concern me. That ass, I'm going to collect it from you. Because you don't make me vex now. I look, so as you see me, so to greet me. My sister, hello. Even if I tell you talk, I don't even call your name. I say, no, but I talk about the children made they pass. The children made they carry, made they right. No say children right for war. We no right for the scream or anything here. I say nobody should read the car. Did I call you Victor name? Make the barrow. Yeah, break your head. Your mother head will break. In fact, tomorrow you say your mama died. Victor mama, your mama that's mama that died. Your papa don't die before my father don't die. Your mama will die for you and they mad. Or your brother go take trouble. But that James may marry be say marry useless for you both. That James, who be James? Just small picking one senior. If they manage born you both. Tell us say they wait for her. This time me since I be to speak, me go speak out to me. What the fuck? They crazy. You go marry the day, born baby girl, do birthday, they mad. Me go walk. Tell James I say she go and walk. Now your brother carry James set up pass see. Bet. I know everything I go enter Jane. You will go back to Nigeria. Oh bet me. I go to Nigeria. Then you tell police how James said to Italy. They mad. First, before you go start to the paro, Victor. First you start to the paro, you go ask, say, you go first go ask question. Don't be say you go the paro. Yeah, I thought to not be kiss. True, made the waka part, that made the dance. Up and that made the not go right with. Maybe the fake barrel now. Those are when they draw to go draw for the car now. I know fake cleaner. Now they talk to. So you be key children now. I don't never for your head. Your father, your mother, you go carry bottle break. Now your brother, your sister, your mama, who will kill your mama, your papa. You hear me so? Your mother, when you don't shop, you go vomit time. Now go vomit often. I go prison. Poor mama, hey, mama Victor. Mama not get no anyone. Make I leave your mama. Cause mama don't old. I know kill and young. But you go prison again. My phone is the whole lamp. Everything, even if I go Africa, I get everywhere. I get all the carton, the control, everything there with me. That boy not to get sense, Mumu. My television, that television with the for your partner, me get them. Fridge na me get them. The partition na me get them. Ready? Thief. Family of thief. Idiot. Now you sabi they do pass now. I will do you for this you go there for prison. Do I get there for prison? You go to Nigeria will carry you go. So you get case. You know say you get case. Mumu. Idiot. Go a thief phone. You do short, you go a thief person phone. She not catch you now. She not see capital for prison. Enter that video, talk my word. Idiot. So if you see me, so to me, you go the video they done, they see they beg me. They tell me, say my sister knows I don't hurt you. You hurt me. You see they do any I go they do short, sit down for grand. They do ala sit down for grand. My people I go sit down for grand like this. For in front of market, I'll carry plate for my hand, they beg. This idiot because my market see me go wrong, go back. The money when I will keep them, I carry this money, I go put deep freezer like this. I will put the money for inside here. Points. This one work, I go to buy fridge, go to buy generator. I say generator. Go to buy fridge and what's the many things. Fridge, television, washing machine. He say, we not get washing machine, but they keep money. What do you say if they keep money for not get washing machine? You need to wash the clothes. Don't mean they wash them. They matter wash them. You see, man, Victor. It's like say you don't enter my trap now. That trap, I'll go out, Consider the wait for you. Consider how they beg me. Say why you not come with me? I'm going to deal with you. And everybody's going to jail. I'm going to find your brother in Libya. Put everybody in jail. That your black, that your car blue. What be that useless boy they call car blue? Your brother, carry my 2,000 euro. Give me to go rent house. Go to marriage your brother. I talk. Useless Victor. I talk. 2,000 euro take rent house. You can't go do marriage for blue. Car blue. That na society. That na car blue. All of now will go prison put. You bless you don't know me. Go mirror. Like go shoot your mom. Now you go shoot that time. Or your car blue, your brother, your sister, or your sister picking, or even your picking. You go shoot for mirror with me. Because if you go Nigeria, you see what go shoot for me for mirror. Your details, your voice record, they will police you want shoot me. You go Nigeria, see you want shoot me for Nigeria. They will tell you, say this girl, you don't help it. I say you are being in fact, and you don't the arrow will turn back to you. No mumu. I go check it, get mad. Who be you? Small boy. May they feed you, feed your family, idiot. Come! Anyway, they see me. Deal with me, oh. Because you don't know what to do in my back. I get God in my back. After God, police go carry that time. What I want my police to enjoy this one. This time around, we just even one common one race and we go race. You don't do Niger. As in, you do Niger. That useless way they work with Kama. And they'll tell you, say that want to be work. They mad. I do documents for you. They grace. Ungrateful you might be. God punish you. I go Nigeria. I never go Nigeria since then. If I as get new wife now, may get better for you. Nah, no man now. The guy go pack money, give me, you go Nigeria. With the money, you tell me, see me, I go carry money, come. See how much I will get. Why I not give you money. That idiot give you money. That's small rats. That's thinking thing. That's it. She be never if half of me. She never charge of me. My own as the guy they put the carry woman put for my house. So Victor, wait, you know who fear. You carry woman. You can't from my ass say you get belly. Who knows if you get a belly? Not happy. You take that's it. You really well in the air. You don't. What? I don't talk too much. You don't crazy, Abby. I'm not speaking about for you, Not me invest call the crack about for you, No see me I go for Lagos. I bet this I grow for a village, I really say funny. Just better tell a brother. Make bring back my property to me. I really say fine. Are you hearing me? If you don't do it, in fact, she's going. Your brother will go to deport him to Nigeria for first number one beating me. The record everything day. The first number two taking my naked picture out from the internet. Is there. He take my naked picture. He can't put for internet. They show and give everybody. Hey. That's the person number year for that canteen. He's going to prison. Number 2 is steal somebody's phone. When they do shirati, the phone is in the pay they go. Number 3, he go camp. When the camp come, go camp, they fight. This is the case don't close. Case never close. Now that one they walk the Wukan now. Victor, you are going to Nigeria. Go, yours better go Nigeria. Go do that rubbish what they do. They beat woman, they break person head. They carry blood, they come out. If you then Nigeria, me go break person head there. Then me no now. Even if you got die for prison there. But this time around, you are going to prison now for drug seller. Victor, you're a drug seller. You sell drugs a lot. So you're going to prison for it. I'm sorry. I go pull your nyash. I think they do everything. They fuck, prick, they fuck. Now nyash they fuck. Nyash. Victor, this nyash they fuck. They craze. Now woman they take off a man. Now nyash they fuck. All the world now nyash Victor they fuck. Nyash. They collect money. You go put that because based on say the drug made the people for nyash. Nyash don't put like this. The craze. Let's go. I don't vex for you now. But they look is them. As I come the party, even if I talk for video and they talk, I call your name Victor. Why you go react? That react when you react, so I will take up prison. I bet you. I make sure say him. No me. You know me. Now me say no me. Now me help you the document. Now be me. That document help you. I will spoiler. You idiot. No, gonna fuck with me. Oh. First they lead down. If that father, you can't don't even if not lead down. As you see me, I say, my sister, thank you. No matter what, say we not there again. Say my wife get belay. Useless wife, me don't know how person suffer. I know now I tell suffer take carry house. Woman call you can't even woman call like that. Nyankata. Open to tell the fuck. They fuck like this. The woman they fuck the woman. Woman made this I can't me not get document. Woman don't fuck before. He can fuck and do woman just I get belly. No your belly because he be potent. Idiot. I don't ready for you. It's more happen. I make it happen. You know, say put bottle for grant. Just put bottle for grant. Put a knife for ground. Move, fight 1-on-1. And I go so beat you and like mad. Victor, you see me? I mean mad. I go beat you. I go so beat you, If I beat you finish, your myself, your partner will know you again. Your brother no will know you. Leave iron knife for ground. Change the in a knife till they fight now. Move hand on hand. I go beat you, If I beat you finish, if you go, you won't wake up for sleep, Peter. Now, knife, so matter waiting for today. Fight, knife show you everybody. Yeah, see power. See Victor power. My ex-husband. Now, power be this one. Power. I show you that one. Bottle. Match give any bottle. Let me see that bottle. That be power. You know, if you use and fight to. You don't make a try. Look at the drag and win now. You don't get power, you not get power, not power for your body. Now knife and bottle now be power. May I say for example now. For example, now me you carry knife. May I carry knife, carry bottle, carry any injury instrument. Come out my earring, come out everything. Me come out on you made important. Normal. I go kill lamb. I swear. The kind character will give them, The kind people will beat them, people will laugh them. May you can just go do bossing, more exchange. But this man fear, I not fear. Mama, I go. You see me for yes so. Not to say this one I ordinary. This one I guess so. I go kill you with my hand. Man or woman, I go finish you. When I go finish you, your mama no will recognize you again. They crazy. Maybe vex for you, Victor, now, eh? I go party, you go spoil my day. You know, like, let me enjoy my day. I call your name, say, Victor, no shook knife for my cow, no shook knife for my tire. I call your name, idiot. I call your name, I call your name, I will deal with you for us. You go to carry that woman. You will talk to that woman for phone. You know, when they speak Igbo. You will, I will deal with tears. Say, only, because, who are you? She, me, my, do my, now my money, I tell you marriage, my money. You want money for my head. Go to the court of law. Go to any Ojuju. Ojuju will tell you, say, this girl money to do marriage. They crazy. Oh, wait, I got shaking for mirror. Oh, your mother, you go shake for your mother. Duru, your mama, you go shake for mirror. They crazy. Your brother, wife, picking they sick for Libya. You don't fear them. You don't fear them. Rescue the picking. Nah, idiot. Kablu. Me carry my money go do in marriage. Me don't buy 3 children for your high. 2 boys, 1 girl for your high, mumu. Go do marriage, go push up. Now you happy do good now. They crazy. Go they build. Go use my money. They go they build house for idiot people. Fine, you build house for your mama. Your mama build house for your mama. Mama not tell you you not fake house before. Go they build house for the front. Everything. And you go scatter for her head. They crazy. Okay, why you never build on that house? So you don't know your wife. If you build on that house now, because I used to build house. Come Facebook, we proud of ourselves. Come my naked picture come out. They crazy. I don't ready for you. My house no will contain you again now. Now you are in trouble. For that thing you do, you let me come for that party. You never respect yourself. Victor, you don't respect yourself. You're mad in the air. What is Yahweh? You don't create. Let's say the go me of that dirty prick of your papa prick or dirty to me your papa boy you. It's like it doesn't rough your brain. It's mad in the air. What is Yahweh in the air? You know, say me, you know where I be. As it be, as it be done, me I don't pass you. You hear me? You know, you be criminal for Nigeria. I'm not a criminal. You be criminal. That is still you be a thief. Because you go here now, you can't go Nigeria. See why they do criminal. So you go criminal, go carry person phone keep. Idiot. I don't vex for you. This time around them, you beg for tears, no see tears. Now me go break your 2 leg. Not nobody if they break your leg for you then they claim say I go so deal with you. You see me so come out knife, put knife, put gum because I ready to kill you.